Hello, Chef Isabella here with Mansfield ISD with another volume of Meal Inspirations. Here's our menu for Tuesday, July 7th and Friday, July 10th for our meal bundles that are served curbside and include 3 breakfast and 3 lunch. As always, we include a take and bake heating instruction that lets you know how to assemble the meals and how to cook them. But if you wanted to get creative, today we have some recipes for chicken parmesan and microwave pear crisp in a mug that utilize ingredients from your bundle and home. We're going to start with the chicken parmesan. Here we have marinara sauce and shredded cheese from the Tuesday bundle, as well as some parmesan from home. We cooked our noodles according to the package instructions. We heated our marinara sauce in the microwave. We cooked our chicken in the oven according to the take and bake instructions, and now we're adding a little more marinara on top. And my favorite part, the cheese, covering it with some of that shredded cheese. Now a sprinkle of Parmesan on top. Then we're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds on high, just so that cheese gets nice and melty. Next up, the pears will be included in our Friday bundle, and you could get any of these 3 varieties. We're going to start by peeling our pear. Next, we're going to cut it in half. Then we're going to use a tablespoon to core it, but you could also use a melon baller. Alright, cut off the root and the tip. We'll repeat that with our second half. And now we're going to cut it horizontally, keeping our fingers up so they're safe. And we'll start our dice. And voila! Now we're going to add some apple juice, granulated sugar, cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and flour. We'll stir that up, and this makes our filling mix. Moving on to toppings, here we have oatmeal, flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and a little bit of butter. Now we're going to use a fork to mix up those dry ingredients. Then we're going to add our butter and use the fork to cut it in so we have some nice crumbles. This is our topping mix. Crumbles! Alright, here we have an oversized coffee mug. We're putting half of our filling mix, now half of our topping mix. Then we'll repeat. A little bit more filling and the rest of the topping, and get that topping spread out. Put on just 1 more pat of butter, then we're going to stick it in our microwave on high for about 3 minutes and topped it with some whipped cream. Yum! Here are the recipes for the items that we shared with you today, which are delicious and can be customized according to your preferences. And we would love to see your meal creations when you share them with us on social media. I can't wait to see what you make.